Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Maulai kalalong ka kanhun ban yokur ya ka nam Lahduh haga inter-school basketball tournament balapunlong da ka Putmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Maulai kumshibenta ka jingrakhi ya ka Jubilee Rupa jong ka school haga jing yakun final ka ba shongshit pha ka balalong haga arfulai tarik unailar arjar khat khandai hapdeng ka Christ Church Higher Secondary School persya ya ka Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School kini ki arteli ki school ki la yoban khor mar arfulai point tat hadu ka bakut no jong ka jing yakun but day haga jing yakun haga extra time ka Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School ka la yora ka nam job da ka ba yok khor life ar point kat ba ka Christ Church Higher Secondary School ka la yoban khor tang arpu pra point yakani kalumpung yila kai lapan hap perdana do menteri ke sarkar jela uba met ba lendo uba lalong kongsan harangkat ke jinge dan langjong MLA ke sora constituency uba Gavin Milim kumusembut kongsan bat kiwe.
This is the 25th milestone of your journey as a school, and this is the end of that 25th year's journey, which again you have to remember that it is the beginning of another 25 years of journey of your school. Friends, I am very delighted whenever I've been invited to any school functions in the state. I always see that there are a good number of mission schools in the state which contribute to the betterment of our young children, giving them the platform to avail the part of education. I should, and we should place on record that the church body of Maulai Putmuri, if I'm not wrong, have not confined themselves within the closed door of the church, but you have stretched beyond that and be a responsible body towards the betterment of the society. In the state of Meghalaya in particular, I would like to acknowledge that without the participation from the church bodies, it will not be possible to extend what the students or the children of the state deserves. Today, we have seen from years to years that most of the students who come out from these institutions are always placed at the very top level. Therefore, the managing committee or the sponsoring body of the school plays a very, very important role. From the government, on behalf of the MDA, we assure you that we will extend our support and cooperation to ensure that we move ahead, giving the students a quality education in all aspects.